Hello everyone and welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly means 20th November. National news: Nitish Kumar to take oath as Bihar Chief Minister for record 10th time today. Ex-Chile President Michelle Bachelet presented Indira Gandhi Peace Prize. Anti-pollution protesters met minister discussed how to improve Delhi's air. Don't mind criticism of judiciary, but should be in proper way. Top quote. And now some international news. Elon Musk donated $474 million in 2024, largely towards entities he controls. Former US Treasury Secretary Larry Summers quit OpenAI over Epstein mails. Trump administration proposed denying green cards if you use government aid. Trump's warm welcome gave Saudi Crown Prince lopsided rewards. And now, sports news. PCB and PSL in massive trouble as Multan Sultan's honor threatened legal action. Lakshya Sen and HS Prannoy entered second round of Australian Open badminton. News related to business. SEBI unveiled reforms to improve FPI experience. India re-elected to Codex Executive Committee for Asia region. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman chaired pre-budget consultation with banking sector experts. Tesla's first India center to open in Gurugram this month. And that's all in news. Thank you.